Want to quickly understand how your keywords appear across Google search results? SERP features help you understand how your keywords rank within different search engine features, like featured snippets, people also ask, site links, and more. Here's how to enable SERP feature data in AgencyAnalytics. Start by heading to Rank Tracker for your client. Navigate to the Metrics and Filters menu. From here, enable Google SERP features under the Google heading and Mobile SERP features under the Mobile heading. Once enabled, you'll see SERP feature icons appear next to each keyword. Each icon represents a different feature returned by Google. If an icon is gray, that feature appeared in the SERP but not for your tracked domain. If it's highlighted in your brand color, your domain did appear in that feature. A ranking will appear beside the feature when applicable, and it represents that specific feature's position for that keyword. Please note that not all SERP features include rankings. To view a description of any SERP feature, hover over the question mark next to its name. Find more information by visiting our knowledge base and searching SERP features. Ready to get even more value from your keyword tracking? Start your free trial with AgencyAnalytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.